Hey everybody, so for this first week coming up, we actually have a number of things we need to do. So I thought I would just kind of walk you through a couple of those different things. One thing I might add is obviously you can tell I do a lot of this in my house. So there's a good chance you could see my kids running by, my wife walk through the background. So hey, it's just life, you know what? And if you're gonna flip instruction or anything for your kids, well, that happens, you know, life happens. So that's okay. I just wanted to kind of prep you for that. So let's go ahead. We're going to just kind of look at Canvas a little bit and talk about the first couple things you need to do so we can kind of look ahead as to what's to come. So Canvas is the learning management system that MOBAP uses, and obviously with this being an online course, this is where we're going to spend most of our time. So just a real quick rundown here of Canvas is once you get here and you log in, this is what it's going to look like. This is our home screen, and then here you have left-hand navigation. Obviously different things, the syllabus, this is going to take you to the syllabus, pretty self-explanatory. There's discussions, the assignments, your grades. The modules section is really where I want you to focus on because the modules here, they're broken down by week. So you'll be able to see exactly what you need to do for that week of that course. Everything's here. Everything will be laid out weekly. Now, obviously, you can come here if you just want to access a discussion, then you can click on discussions. But then afterwards, if you want to get back to what we're doing for that entire week, go to the module. Everything is right here. Now, obviously, we're going to be using some other Web 2.0 tools. We're going to be using Google tools. We're going to be using different creation things, but kind of our hub will be Canvas. I also want to take a moment to show you another aspect of Canvas that I think can actually make your life just that much easier while we're going through this course. And so what I wanted to do was take you through just one of the ways we can be mobile in this class. As you notice here on my iPhone, I have a Canvas app. Now obviously I'm using an iPhone, but this is available on Android as well. Canvas has an app. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here, and you can see right here, here is our Applications of Technology course that we can open up into, and everything that you have on the website you also have in the app. Here's where I think this could be key for a lot of us. Let's face it, we live in a mobile society. I know as an administrator at a middle school, I do a lot of my scheduling, my emailing, I do right from the device that you guys are looking at right now. Where I think this can be really helpful is maybe not so much in turning in assignments or things when we're working with wikis, but I'm thinking the discussions area right here, when we are looking at the discussions, you can come in here and we'll just go into the introduce yourself one. Right down here, all you have to do is up in the corner is reply, and now you are going to make your reply to this discussion. So in order for us to stay active in the discussions and posting to other people's replies, you can do a lot of that right from this mobile app. So I think that can be really beneficial to us throughout the 8 weeks of this course. So the last thing I want to talk to you guys about just in this first week is actually just to get yourself ready for an upcoming project that's actually due at the very end of the course, but it's something you have to be working on the entire time. And that's surrounding this website called Diigo.com. And what Diigo is it's essentially a way to bookmark things. So if you've ever bookmarked anything in a web browser, well, you already know how to use a lot of Diigo. But Diigo can be a lot more powerful too, though, because it can really curate a lot of the things you find and help you organize them better than just your never-ending bookmarks bar can. These are also something you can share. So you could share with students, you could share with colleagues, and they could see what is it the things that you're finding that might be of interest to them. So ultimately what's going to happen is you're going to have to bookmark 50 things on 50 different sites, tools on Diigo, and then you're also going to have to put 3 tags on each site. And I will have a video that shows you how to do that and exactly the ins and the outs, but I thought this might be a good time for you to at least go create an account on there. and you can upgrade that account to an educator account. That's actually part of the project, and I can show how to do that as well. But I thought it might be good for you to at least get familiar with. If you've never used DGO, maybe navigate over there, check it out, see what it might be, because that is going to be something we're working on throughout this course. And you thought the video was over. To be honest, so did I. But I just remembered, I forgot one big step. You need to go create, if you don't already have, a Gmail account. And we'll need this throughout the course. So you do need to go create a Gmail account. It's very easy. Gmail.com, it'll walk you through all the steps. If you're a Google Apps for Education school, you still need a personal Gmail account for this, because sometimes it won't work with those email accounts through schools. So go ahead and create a Gmail account if you don't already have one. If you already have one, you're good to go. But if you don't already have a Gmail account, go ahead, head over to gmail.com and create one of those too. Now, I think we're actually finished.